Hello, we are the detective from the Institute Le Pla d'Urgell.
Now we are going to explain some of the parts of our secret agency. On the exterior we have a mural to confuse bad people. This is the outside of our secret agents club. Goodbye.
Hi everybody, how are you?
We are the detectives of Institut Le Pla d'Urgell. Today we will explain to you the superintendents of Le Pla d'Urgell. We have the gorgeous Dollars and the wonderful Ferran. They are superintendents.
Their work is to open the door if someone comes here, and they are in charge of calling if you need it and answering questions.
They are the best concierges in the world.
As we have many ordinary rooms in our agency, we use them for different things. First, we use the rooms to learn new things and strategies. Second, we also do some meetings to talk about the most difficult cases. And last, our bosses teach us new cases so we can keep learning about mysteries.
This is the captain. Come on, please.
Here on Mondays and Tuesdays, the detectives have a very special diet. Some vegetables and some meat or fish to make it a balanced diet.
Here at these tables, our special detectives sit down and eat her healthy food.
This place is also a resting area where detectives can sit and relax, have a sandwich, or just work on the cases they have to investigate.
This is the criminal information room, and these are another criminal.
There are many cupboards where the criminal files are set. These contain the criminal acts of each villain. There is a suspect board with our most difficult case still open. Is secret. Our detectives read and consult the criminal files. This gigantic screen is where we control the most important spots of the agencies with secret cameras.
This room is one of the most important rooms in the agency because it is where the agents start the information.
They are presented to the agency, all the secret agents and the culture are very significant element for our agents to know. The Catalan language as they come from another country. They learn the rules and what they have to do during the day. They also have fun. When they are ready, they can join other agents.
In this room, we design the costume to hide our identity. We create the costume, the mask, and the waist.
Hello, what are you doing? Hello, I am preparing one of the costumes for one mission because we need more costumes for agents.
Nice. What is the costume about?
It is about a case with secret guns and bulletproof suits. Our mission is to catch a rich thief because he stole a lot of money.
Very good. Thank you for the information.
You're welcome.
We are the members of this agency, and this is our lab. Here we make investigations of the most difficult pieces of evidence. We examine the blood samples, DNA of criminals, and even the footprints.
To do this test, we use pipettes, microscope, burette, glasses, gloves, When we have finished, we pass the information to our superior agents who examine the results and complete the file of the case.
Welcome everyone. Today we're going to explain the playground of First Officer Detective Agency.
The playground is the primer desert and second desert of the bus.
Hello Portugal and Italy. This is the playground. The detectives do research in the courtyard, downstairs to discover things like chemical reactions and train downstairs to get stronger.
Look, this is the football field. Here, the boys and girls usually play football. It's very cool.
And this is the set. You can also eat breakfast and you rest. Watch football games, basketball games.
In there, the detectives play ping pong and have fun. La podeu botar aquí, que vas a hacer un aquí.
This is also where we have breakfast, but if you prefer, we can go down to another area.
If you want, you can sit on the benches and have fun or eat your breakfast.
In addition, there is also a ping pong table next to the basketball court. Here you can play ping pong as you like.
This is the room where we create, invent, and repair our gadgets and detective tools. All tools that we don't need, we reuse them to make new ones, and sometimes we use as simple weapons for the new agents. Before making, repairing, and inventing, we have small meetings to decide what tools we need. It makes amazing detective.